Well, there he is. I forgot to record that one, but I remembered at the last second there. There's a fish. Steelhead on the crawler. That's a good sized drop back. Good fight. Definitely hit the crawler. I think smoked it too. Absolutely smoked it. I mean, that float was sailing. Shit. That's a big one. That's a good fish there. Got it. All right, cool. Trying to get me a quick pick with her. All right. She's about ready. And there she goes. Well, that was cool. I guess I'll stick around here for a sec. See if I can actually get the hook out this time. Fish on. There we go. That looks like a freshie. That's a good one. Looks like a bow. Oh, on that rock. Gotta get him around the rocks. There's a fish, buddy boy. Oh, no, it's a droppie. Oh, going. Not for that log, no. Well, he's off. Gotta hold them back when they're going for the logs, you know. Spooked a pretty good sized fish up from here. He went upstream. So there's some in this pool. Definitely more water, wow. Well, that is a beaver. That's a real good size one. That's a huge beaver, holy shit. Wow. I'm not here to screw with you, bud, but but damn. I definitely don't want to hook into that. You gonna slap your tail at me? Scare everyone in the pool? Man, he's a big boy. All right, let's get a fish. Oh, it's coming back out. All hands on deck, here he comes. There's a bottom. Oh, that was fun. Alright. Oh, the hook's straight. It's okay, I don't like these small hooks anyway. I'll switch over to a bigger one. I threw a little minnow under the bead there just to see what happens. I think that'll be an interesting setup. I'm down at the bottom near the slow water. Probably some smallmouths hanging around here somewhere, but the water is so good right now down here. It's really up. Got my jig on still. I'll probably switch it up sooner or later. Went down a little there. That's a fish. That's a fish. What do we got here? Smallie. We got a smallmouth. Yep. Oh, get out of there. That's a good one. That's not a bad one. It's not huge. Fight like a devil though, man. Come on in here. Knew a smallie would want that white jig. There we go. First one of the year for me. There we go. Yeah. Battle tank. Well, it's a gray jig now, but probably still catch fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, that's not. That is either a huge smallmouth or it's a trout. I don't know if I'm even rolling. Am I? I got a huge smallmouth on here. A huge smallmouth. My net is over there, so I'm gonna beach him. He is big. He is very big. That's a nice smallie. Holy shit. He's so fat. What a tank. That thing pulled. Holy fat dogs. That thing is huge. That's a big, big smallmouth there. Look at that thing. There we go. That was harder than usual. That's, let's see here on my net. All right, so he's about 17 and a half, 18 inches. And just so fat, so freaking chunky. Thing is massive. A beaut. Okay. See, I love about bass, they're not so sensitive like trout, because he'll be fine. He's just gonna kick and run like that. Steelhead on the jig, baby. Or a rainbow. It looks like a bow, actually. It's very green and just thrashy. And all tangled up, all kinds of tangled up now. There he goes. No, he's still pretty tangled. Very tangled. I think he's rolling around now. Yeah, there we go. I knew there would be a fish right there. Come on, fish. Nice. Yep, that's a drop back rainbow. Oh, and I missed him. Or I lost him, rather. There. Good enough. That's on the beach anyway. There we go. That was convenient. Sorry about the mud, bud. Wow, these hooks don't let go. All right. Okay, you're good. He got it. No issue. Oh. The geese are here. Want to keep trying here or get moving?
I'll give it one more cast, but I'm ready to move.
All right.
If I don't catch a trout today, I wouldn't be like heartbroken. But if I didn't catch a bass today, I might be a little upset. I kind of want to. It's May. It's time to catch a bass.
Well, I was super happy to get not only knock off my first bass of the year, but also my first steelhead bass multi-species day.
That's what I'm really gunning for.
I know.
I might have not made it early enough to dig it.
All right, GoPro, we got ourselves a rainbow trout here that I didn't get on film because it's raining out. I should just say guys, because like GoPro isn't watching shit like people on the internet will be. All right, on the crawler with the bead combo. Uh-oh, all wrapped up in it too. Ooh. Oh, it's rehooked, that's why. He may have actually hit the bead, this guy. Oh, he did get out, look at that. There. All right, pretty little rainbow, looks like a post spawner. Maybe, here, he's about 17 inches. Because my net's about 17 across. Oh, thanks, yeah, here. Just throw.
If you want a quick pick.
Oh, never mind.
I got a couple of them.
Yeah, I saw that, thank you. Cool.
I'm kind of super curious too.
I am too. I want to see what the heck is over there. Maybe maybe that bay that tucks back in there has some access, and you could like throw spoons or something. That'd be sick. Oh, a huge group. Yeah, I've seen a few different groups of kids doing hood rat shit down here lately.
That's the way to do it, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, it's not really amazing that fishing, I tend to run into kids doing hood rat shit because they like to do it in places that are like somewhat secluded but scenic. There's a fish, there's a fish, there's a fish. Oh yeah, oh that's a steelhead.
Big one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Huge.
No doubt. No doubt.
Oh my God.
Wow, it's turning on. That thing went fucking ape.
Yeah, did you see how far it jumped up a good 3 feet?
I'm pretty sure the camera's on right now too. Oh my God. Is this a freshie or a droppie? You're gonna be down here, bud.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Like, so, yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Wow, that was a run.
It's gonna go, it's just moving up, it doesn't care.
That is not a rainbow. Oh, it's a freshie, dude. I swear to God, it's a pre-spawn fish.
It looks big enough. It doesn't look skinny.
Oh my, it is acting like a pre-spawner.
Is your drag messed up?
It's doing something weird, for sure. Like it's not going. So I am the drag today. Oh, he doesn't like it when I go shallow. They never do. All right, this is him for you. Or not. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Wow.
We got so lucky that thing fell in that bad time.
What a fight.
That's a chunk.
That is a dude, it's a pre-spawner. Those guys left at the wrong time.
Him slash her into the water.
Yeah, they missed the show, those boys.
Oh my God.
I can't believe that. That is a freaking beauty.
I might have to put on what you're throwing.
It's a crawler with the old bead.
Yeah.
Left here. If we may need to use your damn phone, but here, you can let go.
5 or 6 good
Oh
ones.
yeah, it's water. The water's fucking with it.
Oh, here.
Oh, and now it's dying.
Here, I got mine if you want
Yeah,
one.
mine's dead now. Yeah, go for it.
I think
Her head's been in the water the whole
It might
time.
look better this. Oh, I think it looks better with this camera, to be honest with you.
Good, then let's try to get the shot. All right, she is fired up and ready to roll, so.
Oh, dude, that looks really good. That's
Did you get it?
I got one.
All right, one more.
Nice.
Good? Got it?
Yeah, nice.
All right. All right, honey, sorry about that. Okay. I wonder if it's a Skamania, because like, look, that is not, that fish, unless it's just been living in the river and it spawned like a freaking half year ago, but, all right, honey. There she goes.
Oh, dude, look, this one looks like,
Beautiful.
this is like a fucking perfect picture.
I can't
This is
believe
like
that.
a YouTube channel type picture.
Oh yeah.
It looks fucking great.
It's the thumbnail. Thanks, dude. You'll have to send those to me.
I got a couple. I got like,
Yeah.
This one came out blurry.
That's okay, dude. Thanks. Those are all perfect. Wow, that's a great shot. Thank you.
Sort it.
Thanks for netting it, and thanks for the picture. Now get.
I thought you were gonna when your drag started like.
I was like wondering what the heck was going on with my
I thought you were
drag.
gonna lose it. And I was like, oh my God.